Let's learn some sign language. Potty. When you gotta poo or pee, you wanna go to the bathroom. You sign potty. Let's sign potty. 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 When you're all done and you wash your hands, it's clean. So we clean our hands. Let's sign clean. 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 Say hi or hello. To say hi or hello when you meet someone, just wave like this. Let's sign hi or hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. To say bye, we simply wave. We say bye like this when someone leaves or goes away. Let's sign bye. Bye. There we go. Bye. They're all gone. Let's say please. When you really want something, like her, she wants cake, we sign please. Let's sign please. Please. Nice. When you get something you really wanted, you say thank you. Let's sign thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When you've done something that hurts someone's feeling, you say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Say, I'm sorry. Can you sign I'm sorry? I'm sorry. I love you. Your mom and dad loves you, and you love your mom and dad. Let's sign I love you. I love you. I love you. Now when you're all done eating, you say, all done, finished. I'm all done. Let's sign all done. All done. Finished. All done. All done. Now let's say yes. Yes. When you are asked a question and you agree, you say yes. Yes. Let's sign yes. 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 When you're asked a question and you don't like it, you say no. No, 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 no. No. Sign no. 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 Happy. That's how you feel when you're in a good mood. Happy or delighted. Let's sign happy. 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 Stop. Stop, stop, stop. When you're not to do something, you're told to stop. Sign stop. Stop. Great job. Keep trying, okay? You've got it. Let's go again. Potty. When you want to go to the bathroom, you simply say, I want a potty. Sign potty. 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 When you're all done and you clean your hands with soap and water, we say clean. Let's sign clean. Clean. To say hi and hello, we wave our hands like this. Hi. Hello. Let's sign hi and hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. When you want to say bye because someone is leaving or they're going away, we sign bye like this. Bye. Bye. To say please, when you really want something, you ask for it with a please. She wants cake. Let's sign please. Please. When you've gotten what you wanted, you say thank you. When someone gives you something, you say thank you like this. Sign thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When you've hurt someone's feelings, you need to say, I'm sorry. To sign sorry, we do this. Sign sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. Your mom and your dad loves you. And you love your mom and dad. Sign, I love you. I love you. I love you. All done. When you're finished eating or finished doing something, we sign all done like this. All done. All done. You wave your hand like you're brushing crumbs off your shoulder. Yes. We say yes. 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 When we agree to something or we want something. Yes. Sign yes. Yes. When you don't like something or you don't agree, you say no, no, no. Sign no. 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 Happy. That's how you feel when you're in a good mood. Happy. Happy. Sign happy. Stop. That's what you say when you don't want to do something. Stop, stop, stop. Sign stop. Stop. Great job. It's very easy, so keep practicing, okay? Don't forget, subscribe and like.